Hey everyone, welcome back to TNB Academy, where we break down complex standards and self-career boosting knowledge, bite by bite. I'm Akanksha Mishra, and today we are diving into a question that every founder, CTO and cybersecurity head is secretly Googling right now. Is ISO 27001 really necessary for tech companies, or is it just a corporate buzzword? Let's be real. Data breaches, privacy violations, ransom attacks, they are not just headlines anymore. They are happening to startups, scale-ups, even unicorns. And in this age, data is not just valuable, it is everything. Which is why ISO 27001 isn't just relevant, it is becoming non-negotiable. So if you work in a tech company or run one, stay tuned because this isn't just other standards talk. It is a survival guide, a growth strategy, and a trust-building blueprint. So let's dive in. Why tech companies are under attack? Let's set the stage. The tech industry is booming, but it is also the biggest target for cyber attacks. Think about it. Tech companies process customer data, build platforms, host user accounts, run cloud systems, handle payments, manage intellectual property, and store it all digitally. Now imagine what happens if one of those things fails. A customer's personal data gets leaked, your software gets hacked, your client's confidential files are displayed. The result? Legal trouble, lost customers, media chaos, and a tanking reputation. In 2025, trust is currency, and one security failure can bankrupt it instantly. So what is the solution for this? The simple solution is don't leave data protection to chance. Systemize it. That is what ISO 27001 does. What exactly is ISO 27001? ISO 27001 is the international standard for information security management system. That might sound complicated, but here is the simple version. It is a framework that helps companies protect their data from cyber attacks, human error, internal leaks, third-party risk, and more. Why ISO 27001 is a game changer for tech firms. Now let's get to the juicy part. Why do tech companies need ISO 27001 more than anyone else? Because you handle sensitive data daily. Usernames, passwords, IP addresses, cloud logs, source code, customer preferences. Your business literally breathes data. And with data privacy laws like GDPR, DPDP, and CCPA in play, mishandling it can cost you millions. Because clients demand it. In 2025, enterprise clients don't trust vendors without ISO 27001. If you want to work with banks, healthcare firms, or governments, ISO 27001 is your entry ticket. Because it reduces downtime and damage security. Incidents don't just steal data, they freeze operations, cause outages, and kill your uptime. ISO 27001 makes you resilient, it ensures business continuity and fast incident response. What ISO 27001 covers and why that is a good thing. So what exactly does ISO 27001 make you do? Create a security policy, define access controls, manage third-party risk, set incident response processes, perform regular audits, train your team, encrypt critical data, backup and recovery fast, improve continuously. It is not about perfection, it is about preparedness. ISO 27001 doesn't prevent every hack, but it ensures you are never caught clueless. ISO 27001 and investor confidence. Investors love innovation, sure, but they invest in safety and predictability. ISO 27001 shows them you understand the risk, have controls in place, can protect customer trust, are ready for international growth. The certification journey for tech companies. Here is what ISO 27001 implementation usually looks like. Gap assessment. What are you already doing right? What is missing? Planning phase. Define the scope, themes, and roadmap. Risk assessment. Identify threats and their impact. Control design. Implement physical, technical, and administrative controls. Internal training. Teach your team what is expected. Internal audit. Fix gaps before external scrutiny. Certification audit. An external body evaluates your readiness. Maintenance and surveillance. Stay compliant year-round, and guess what? You don't have to do this alone. We at TNB Academy help tech companies of all sizes get ISO 27001 ready in the smart way. ISO 27001 is not optional anymore. Let's wrap this up. with one hard truth. You can build the coolest app in the world, but if users don't trust you with their data, it is over. ISO 27001 is more than a certificate. It is a symbol of trust. It says we care, we prepare, and we protect. So, is ISO 27001 a must for tech companies in 2025? Yes. 100 times yes. Not just because it protects you from threats, but because it powers growth, credibility, client wins, and global expansion. If you are a tech founder, CTO, security lead, or just someone who cares about the future of your company, don't wait. Implement ISO 27001 before a client demands it, before an investor asks for it, or worse, before a breach exposes your weakness. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNP Academy for more content like this, because the more you learn, the more you lead. This is Akanksha Mishra signing off. Stay secure, stay certified, and stay ahead.